getting carried.
Stop. Now let me see your booty drop.
Hey y'all, I'm getting ready to go to the movies, so I wanted to do a quick outfit of the day for you guys. I feel really cute, just really simple. Okay, this top, I know you're gonna think that my entire, excuse my belt, I didn't buckle it yet. I know you're gonna think my entire wardrobe comes from Forever 21. It doesn't. It just so happens that a lot of different cute pieces I just happen to see there and I get. So, you know, I never had the problem of seeing a lot of girls wearing the same stuff that I wear. So it really doesn't matter to me. I don't have any problem with shopping at a store that a lot of females shop at, because for one, you know, it's limited places for me to get young, cute, trendy things for my size. And another thing is, everyone's body shape or whatever style is not the same, so how I may wear something is may be completely different than the next girl may wear it. How it may lay and fall on my body may be completely different than the next girl, so it doesn't really matter much to me. I don't really get fazed by that. Oh, I'm not gonna shop at this store because everyone shops there, blah blah blah. It's all in how you wear it and how you rock it. So that's how I feel on that whole situation. Because I know I probably would get like a lot of comments about that being the only place that I shop. I just happen to really like clothes. So guys, so yeah, I got this like 2 summers ago, I think in 2009, and I've never seen anybody else with this top. So I'm gonna go upstairs into my mirror and show you the rest of the outfit. Here's a glimpse of the whole outfit. My pants are the jeans that I had on in the fitting room video. They don't have any pockets on the back except for one pocket on one butt cheek. They have zippers at the ankle, and these shoes I got from Torrid. They're perforated faux leather wedges. They kind of remind me of Edward Scissorhands with the straps and the buckles. Peep toe. They look like that. I love them because the wedge isn't too high, so I could walk around in these. I could run in these if I wanted to. Okay, so this is the outfit from the side. From the front. I love this shirt. It also ties in the back. For my jewelry, I have on big black hoops. I have on my favorite silver bangle, and I have on this big ring here. It's like a clear gray stone and a pewter back. I don't know where I got that from. Okay, this is my outfit. Bye.